Hello everyone, this is Ila Anant Acharya, your friend, your life coach, and I welcome you again to my podcast titled Sangrila with Ila Anant Acharya. First, I want to say that in the last episode, I could not end it very nicely due to some personal reason, but I just want to say thank you for listening to my episode 4. Now, coming to my last introduction trailer episode. So, here I just want to say that how, after going through the secret and the power, how my initial 2, 3, 4 months have gone so well. I was on the seventh sky. I was getting so much happiness in my life. I was attracting so many good news in my life, and I was getting wonderful signals that yes, my life is going to now work like anything, as mentioned in the secret and as mentioned in the power, that now you will get everything you want. But as it happens to everybody, those who were initially having this law of attraction flow, and then suddenly something happens and they start everything just turn down opposite means something happens in their life and they start attracting negative things. So it happened to me also. So as I mentioned you earlier, that I was very positive, I was very happy, and I was so much into the law of attraction that it says that even when you are thinking so much about the negative things, you also start attracting that thing. So that was happening to me, and I was under that impression that why it is happening to me, why I am not getting all that happiness which was there in my initial 4-5 months when I was introduced to this law of attraction, and when I was sharing law of attraction to everybody. And that few months I was not able to concentrate, and there was no one to guide me, there was no one to say me where I was going wrong, what was where I was not applying the law of attraction correctly. So there was nobody to guide me basically. So I want that the same thing should not happen to others or everyone who is listening to my podcast. So if you have started learning law of attraction, and if you have initially manifested few of your desires, and then it was like, no, now the desires are not manifested and you are getting cut off. So here I am to help you, to guide you, to daily motivate you, and to explain you why after few months or after few years you suddenly start getting low, you suddenly start getting that law of attraction is not working for you. So that is the main reason I have started with this podcast, and I am very much happy to say that law of attraction has again started working for me since 2011 itself, because that dip which came into my life, it was just for around 1-2 months only, and I figure out myself that attachment to any of your desires will not lead to it. So you have to let go. Letting go is the basic part where you can manifest your desire. So you dream, you visualize, but you have to let go also. So when I have started letting go, and when I have started living in the present, when I have started enjoying my life, when I started feeling good in whatever situation I am, then all my dreams has again started manifesting, and it was so beautiful. I cannot explain you in this episode, so wait for the next episode. And from the next episode I will be starting with the basics about law of attraction, the practices, and so many things. Thank you so much for listening to my podcast and this episode, and stay safe everyone. Thank you.